आय लिगांत दोळे दिपकावपी रिकवरी करपी चर्चिल ब्रदर्सा मुखार आतां नेरोकाचें आव्हान. फाटल्या 4 मॅचींनी चर्चिल अपराजीत, मात आय लिगांत पदार्पण करपी नेरोकाय फूल फॉर्मांत आसात. नेरोका दुसरे सुवातेर जाल्यार चर्चिल 8व्या सुवातेर आसा. होम ग्राउंडावेली मॅच जिखपाक विनिंग कॉम्बिनेशन तशेंच दवरतले म्हूण चर्चिलाचो कोच आल्फ्रेड फर्नांडीस उलयला. मॅच मंगळारा रातीं 8:00 टिळक मैदानार जातली.
So nobody likes to dismantle winning combinations, but if there are some niggles or injuries, forceful changes, then only we have to cope up with that. Otherwise, we have to go on with the move. We have to take a match at a time. So we can't think about Minerva before crossing this hurdle. So the next tomorrow's match is very important, and being the second best team in the competition on paper now, on the table. So it's very important we get past them first. And tomorrow, very crucial 3 points, and which will determine our future course of the I-League. So I'm hoping, and with my quality at my disposal and the ability of the players.
नेरोकान आय लिगान पदार्पण करताना सेगीत 9 मॅची जिखल्यो. उपरांत ते 2 मॅच हरले. सेगीत तिसरी मॅच हातांतल्यान वचूंक जायना म्हूण खंय ते खेळटले.
Yes, there will be the pressure because we didn't want to lose again. So definitely there will be the pressure because if I lose or if we lose three times continuously, it's not good for the future. Match is match, result is result. So we lost after the 9 game, 2 game. Football, but we need to go on. We will work hard. We will try our best to get the 3 points, or not 1 point enough for me. Let's see. We'll approach slowly because Churchill is a good team. They won the 3 games continuously, so they have a confidence. And being home, I mean, we reached yesterday 12th night, so we took rest. We'll have a practice now, and let's see what will happen tomorrow.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नाईक.
खडेगांठ डिफेंडर सेरिटन फर्नांडिसाक पडिल्ल्या रेड कार्डाक लागून FC गोवाची कामगिरी दुसऱ्या हाफांत हारली आनी मुंबय सिटी FC जैत जोडूंक पावले. FC गोवाचो कोच सर्जिओ लोबेरान ही गजाल मान्य केल्या, पूण उपरांत 10 प्लेयरांनी जीव तोडून खेळ केल्ल्यान ताणें प्लेयराचे झुजारू वृत्तीची तुस्त केली. दुसरे वटेन मुंबयचो कोच अलेक्झांडर ग्विमारेस जैत मेळिल्ल्यान उमेदीर.
Pero pienso que hemos hecho lo más difícil, que ha sido ponernos 3-3 en el marcador.
But I think we did the most difficult thing, which was come back and equalize to 3-3.
Y quizá cuando ya hemos conseguido el 3-3, minuto 78, faltan 12 minutos, estamos con 10 jugadores.
And when we reached a point where it was 3-3, with 12 minutes remaining on the clock, when we were down 10 men,
nos ha faltado un poquito más de cabeza.
We lacked a little bit of calm within our heads.
Estábamos con 10 jugadores, queríamos ganar el partido.
We were 10 players, but we wanted to win the game.
Pero no podíamos dejar tantos espacios atrás cuando el resultado era de 3-3 y el equipo contrario tenía un jugador más.
But we couldn't have left the spaces behind that we did when the scoreline was 3-3 and the other team had to play more than us.
Estoy contento con la actitud de los jugadores porque han conseguido un 3-3 con 10 jugadores.
I'm very content with the attitude of the players because they managed to get back to a scoreline of 3-3 with 10.
De lo único que estoy descontento es del gol que hemos encajado en la primera parte.
The only thing that I'm unhappy about is the goal that we allowed them to score in the first half.
I'm feeling very well because we beat them twice, right? And we beat them at home and we beat them here. So you never know what can happen at the end with this equality, you know, for the fight for the 4th place or 3rd place, I don't know. So when you have this, now we have this, let's say, advantage in case of, that's the importance also to win today here, right? Because
इतल्याने बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबूक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.